Good morning. Thank you for calling Janos Consulting. This is Jane speaking. How may I assist you today?
Hello, Jen. This is David Smith from Wind Industry. I'm calling to follow up on the project proposal we discussed last week.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to speak with you again, Mr. Smith. How are you doing this fine morning?
Please call me David. I'm doing very well. Thank you for asking. I want to take some time to review the key details of the proposal. If you have availability in your schedule.
Certainly, before we dive into the specific, let me quickly reintroduce myself and provide a brief overview of the proposed project scope, just to make sure we are both on the same page. As you know, Genos Consulting specializes in providing comprehensive business strategy and technology implementation service to mid-sized organizations like Wind Industries. The proposal we presented last week outlined our recommendation for modernizing your customer relationship management system and integrating it with your existing enterprise resource planning software. The goal of this initiative is to streamline your sales and customer service workflow, enabling your team to provide a more seamless, personalized experience for your clients. Additionally, the integration with your ERP system would allow for better data-driven decision making and reporting capabilities. Does his does this high-level summary align with your understanding of what we discussed previously? I want to ensure I have the right context before we get into the details.
Yes, that overview is spot on, Jane. You have captured the key element perfectly. I'm glad we're on the same page. Please go ahead and walk me through the specific of the proposal.
Wonderful. Let me start by highlighting the proposed timeline for this initiative. Based on our assessment of your current system and process, as well as the necessary integration points, we believe we can complete the full CRM implementation and ERP integration within a 12-week time frame. The first 4 weeks, we will focus on requirement gathering, system design, and setting up the necessary infrastructure. Weeks 5 until 8 will involve the core CRM configure and migration of your existing customer data. Then the final month will be dedicated to the ERP integration, use acceptance testing, and roll out to your sales and customer service team. Does this timeline seem reasonable from your perspective? I'm happy to adjust the cadence if there are any constraints on your end and that I should be aware of.
The timeline looks reasonable to me, Jane. My only potential concern would be the impact on our sales team during the migration process in week 5 until 8. Do you have any strategies to minimize disruption to their day-to-day activities during that period?
That's a great question, David. We've anticipated that potential challenge and have a few mitigation plans in place. First, we will work closely with your sales leadership to identify the optimal timing for the CRM migration. Ideally, aligning it with a natural lull in your sales cycle. Additionally, we propose implementing the new CRM system in a phased approach, migrating just a proportion of the sales team at a time. This will allow the rest of the organization to continue operating on the existing system while we work to get the first group fully onboarded and trained on the new platform. Finally, we've budgeted for some temporary part-time user support resource that can be embedded with your sales team during the transition. This will ensure they have dedicated assistant for things like data migration, process documentation, and end user training. Does that help address your concern, David. I'm happy to provide any additional details on our change management strategies.
Yes, those mitigation plans sound very reasonable, Jane. I feel much better about the potential impact on our sales team now. Please go ahead and continue walking me through the rest of the proposal details.
Sounds good. Does this all make sense so far, David? I know there's a lot of information to digest, so please feel free to interrupt me at any point if you have question or need me to clarify anything.
It's a lot to take in, but you are explaining everything very clearly, Jane.
Well, David, I believe we've covered all the key points in great detail. Please let me know if there's anything else I can clarify or expand on before we wrap up.
I think you have done an excellent job of walking me through everything, Jane. You've provide a very comprehensive overview, and I feel I have a strong understanding of the proposed solution now.
Wonderful. I'm happy I could be of assistance. Please don't hesitate to reach out if any other question come up in the meantime. It's been a pleasure speaking with you today, David.
Likewise, Jane, you have been extremely helpful, and I'm confident in your team's ability to deliver this project successfully. Thank you again for your time. Have a great rest of your day.
You as well, David. I look forward to our next discussion. Goodbye for now.